I've been through so many sleepless nights that my biggest mistake was thinking shoving my partner awake was a long-term solution. But here's what I've learned. Avoid my mistake and start with a quick 2-second fix. Apply a night strip before bed. It works by gently opening up nasal passages, making breathing and sleeping easier for the both of you. Stick to it though. It's not just about better airflow, it's about waking up rested and sane. Third and most important, make it a shared habit, not a hassle. It's quiet, seamless, and doesn't disrupt your sleep or your relationship. The results? Quiet nights, peaceful mornings. Quick takeaway, better breathing isn't just about airflow, it's about living better. So what's stopping you from trying something this simple?